Sinha, currently pursuing my bachelor's in biotechnology from Jamshedpur Women's College, Jamshedpur. I enrolled in this 10-day course of Bioinformatics, Basics to Advanced, and the result was really very fruitful. Our mentor, Mrs. Sharvari Kulkarni, was very helpful. She made each and every session very interesting and informative. We also have had hands on many softwares involved in this field. My special thanks to Sharvari ma'am and BGT Life Sciences for this great opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, myself Said Ahmed Laskar. I am a research scholar in Department of Zoology from Mizoram University. I have attended molecular docking workshop which was conducted by BDG Life Sciences. My trainer name was Ma'am Shavarni Kulkarni. After attending this workshop, I got lots of knowledge about molecular docking, and I am getting more confident in this docking software. And in this workshop I have learned about result analysis, how to perform docking in different softwares with the commands, and different types of docking like protein ligand, simple docking, protein multiple docking, protein with nucleotide. Thanks to BDG Life Sciences.
Hi, my name is Anasuya Chakrabarti and I am a third year BTech Biotechnology student studying at SRM University, Chennai. I recently attended the online hands-on workshop conducted by BDJ Life Sciences on CRISPR technology, and I must say that I found the sessions really intriguing and knowledgeable. I am thankful to Monica ma'am for guiding us all along in the best possible way, and it was really fun learning under her guidance. We were taught about what CRISPR is, how it works, what is the current research that is being conducted based upon the technology, what are the different kind of websites we can use to edit a genome, and a lot more. I had fun learning all of this, and I am looking forward to attending more such workshops conducted by BDJ Life Sciences in the future. Thank you.
Hello, this is Keertana. I'm doing my MTech Biotechnology in VIT Vellore. I came across BDJ Life Sciences through a friend of mine and was really interested to look at the modules. The modules were all very interesting and gave me a perspective of different biotechnological tools and bioinformatical tools. I was interested in CRISPR technology, and when I applied for it, it was a 5-day program, and all of the staff who came for us, especially Monica ma'am, she was very sweet and gave us all the information that was needed. Every time we asked her a question, she did not hesitate to answer it. She gave us the perfect answer and made us understand it the way we can. So I was really happy with the session that we had, and I'm very thankful for BDJ Life Sciences. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I'm a fourth year zoology special degree student in University of Sri Jagadhanapura in Sri Lanka. Actually, I participate to this workshop to learn more about molecular docking. Actually, when I came here, I have only few knowledge about molecular docking, which I gained from the YouTube channels and by reading a research article. But after finish this workshop, I learned a lot of things. Actually, now I have a proper, very confident knowledge about these molecular docking practices. And I know how to use these each softwares properly.
Hello everyone, my name is Maria. I work at ViewMedi, which is a video healthcare network providing up-to-date educational material for doctors. I participated in a BDG Life Science, Immunoinformatics and Vaccine Design 7-day workshop. I was presented with all the newest information from the field, as well as learned to do it myself using all the recommended softwares. My presenter, Monica, is an excellent teacher and has always taken time to answer our doubts and questions. I recommend their courses to anyone looking for a chance to learn more in their field of expertise.